Well, good morning from all here at Ideal Homes. We're here this morning in the east of the Algarve, in between the towns of São Bras and Estoril, in a small village called Machados. We're going to take a look inside a property currently on the market, which is 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom. Let's take a walk in and have a look. So let's actually walk into the house. You'll see up on your left-hand side there, the house actually has an alarm system, internal and external, so you can actually turn the alarm off externally and just have it internally, or vice versa. The main entrance to the property itself, so we come in through the hallway, which leads us straight into the living dining area. The property is actually being sold as seen as well, so all of the furniture, tables, chairs, etc., cutlery, plates, bowls, etc., they'll all be left in the house. There are obviously some trinkets which belong to the owner, but the sofa, TV stand, coffee table, so all of these items are to be left. You'll notice that there is double glazed windows which go straight out to the rear of the house and out to the pool area. Again, all of the external furniture is to be left, and again there you'll see the view to the rear, which is just out towards agricultural land. We do have two neighbours to the right hand side of us, one Portuguese and one English owner. If we carry on through to the kitchen area, nice large kitchen, integrated microwave, integrated dishwasher, all the appliances are there. Integrated fridge freezer, lots of storage area. We have a separate utility out the back as well, which gives us access out to the back room. Additional storage facility. And then at the back of the property there we have one bedroom. This is the only bedroom which was actually not en suite. So let's walk from the kitchen area through to the second part of the property. You'll notice first off on the left hand side there is a bathroom, which is also a shower room, just for use for the 4th bedroom, or obviously for anybody else in the house. And then we have the main hallway, which leads us down and through to the 3 additional bedrooms. Let's go straight through into the master bedroom. Really good spacious sized bedroom, and patio doors which lead straight out onto the garden at the back and the pool area. You'll notice fly screens on the windows as well. Integrated wardrobes, so again plenty of storage. Then a nice big bathroom, bath, shower, sinks. Each of the bathrooms actually has underfloor heating as well, and the property does also have a central vacuuming system. And to the left and right of the master bedroom, 2 more en suites, both with walk-in showers. Plenty of storage with the built-in wardrobes. And then straight through opposite will take us through to the 3rd ensuite. Again, walk-in showers, built-in wardrobes, nice double bed. And this particular bedroom has views out onto the front of the property, to the front gardens. So we're just at the rear of the property now. As you can see, we've got a nice swimming pool, which is actually heated. So we have a heat pump on the swimming pool. It also has a cover as well, obviously, to retain that heat. Nice manicured gardens. Irrigation system throughout. and the property is well maintained, internal and external. Well, we're just in the entrance to the property on the driveway at the minute. We'll have a quick look around the outside of the property first. The property is actually set on just over 2,000 square metres of land. The property is east to west orientation, so the sun comes up to the east and goes right across the property and sets down in the west. As you'll notice from the background shots, you can see that the property is surrounded by agricultural land, so a nice peaceful location. 5-minute drive to Estoy and 5-minute drive up into São Bras. So just